Welcome to PrimePay. Learn how to easily make a single MFS payment as a transaction maker through this tutorial. Log in to PrimePay and from the menu, select MFS Payment. Then choose the Make Activities option. Select the MFS Transfer option. Select the account from which you want to send the money. Then select the checker for your transaction. Then select the authorizer for your transaction. From the drop-down, select the required MFS type. Enter the MFS number of the beneficiary and the transaction amount. Once all the information is confirmed, select Create Batch. Click OK and complete your transaction. This is how you can easily make the single MFS payments through PrimePay.